Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Austin. You guys are watching Street Savages. But today, I have a 2004 GMC Duramax right here in front of me. And I'm filming this video the same day as the last one, so I'm in the same exact clothes. So I'll be cyberbullying me. But it's my brother's truck. He's owned it for a couple of years now. He'll explain all that. And so my brother's gonna come in and he's gonna tell you everything that's done to the truck, everything under the hood. I'll tell you on the wheels and the exhaust. And so here he is.
What's going on, guys? I'm Shane. This is my Duramax 2004 GMC, and under the hood I got 75 horse injectors, fuel rail, ARP head studs, head gasket, connecting rods, intake, Batmo wheel, turbo wheel, full 4-inch exhaust, fast 150, EFI Live, and a Snow Performance meth injection. Stage 2 Allison with a shift kit. I know I'm probably forgetting a few things, but that's mostly it for performance-wise.
Intake.
Yeah, I said intake.
Oh, okay.
And then,
EFI Live.
I said that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really mainly, I know I'm probably forgetting a few things, but the big major things for the performance-wise. And then really cosmetics, just wheels and tires, 20 by 12 Moto Metal 962s with Toyo proxies. And other than that, just tint, or CTS, Insight, gauges, and that's about it.
And then 5-inch MBRP?
4-inch.
4-inch
MBRP. And it has a gooseneck in the bed.
I might still have the picture of us back when my brother first bought the truck. He didn't have the tow mirrors on it at the time. He actually purchased those. And he didn't have any of the wheels. Well, he still has the stock wheels that came with the truck. He bought these himself. And I still have the picture. I'll insert it right here. So we were hauling like an 8-wheel dump trailer, which was sick. Me and my dad hauled that truck. It's pretty insane.
We actually, when we came across the scales, I believe we were at 23,000.
Yeah, it was hauling a lot.
Fully loaded.
Fully loaded 8-wheel dump trailer. You guys will probably see the picture, I'm sure. I think I still have it. But if I don't, I can screenshot it off my Instagram and put it on. But
it's also lowered a little bit. And really another cosmetic, it was just a Uniden R1 radar detector for your trips to Mexico.
of course.
And I mean, cosmetically, you know, it needs a bath right now, don't mind that. And just a little bit of paint correction. And I'd like to eventually do the rocker panels on it. And other than that, I mean, I'm relatively, besides adding more performance, I really want to keep the look this way. Maybe just new headlights and tail lights, stuff like that.
And did you, when you bought the truck, was it a good investment?
Oh, great investment. Actually, I bought the truck with 190,000 miles on it. Had it for 3 years. It's got 236,000 now. And I've only done all the oil changes myself, replaced the air filter, fuel filter, the alternator once, and the starter once. And I think that's about all I've ever had an issue with. And yeah, I mean, it's been a great truck. I haven't really had no issues other than you know, common problems you could have with a basic car. It's been a real good investment, actually, I would say.
So when he bought the truck, got it for a pretty good price at the time, and when he bought it, yeah, he had to spend $400, $500 extra dollars for fuel lines, it was, right?
Yeah, I did forget about that. When I first bought the truck, after about a week of having it, the fuel lines, it had brand new stainless steel brake lines, but the fuel lines were originally or factory. And they had some rust on them, and there was a tiny hole in it. It was letting air in to the line, and you know, air and diesel fuel, that doesn't mix. So I did spend between, I want to say it was about $450 for a set of new fuel lines, but it was worth it in the long run. I haven't had one single fueling or any issue with really anything besides the basic stuff, like I said. Yeah,
That's about it.
I think that's about it.
Well, I'm gonna end off today's video for y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the Power Stroke one. That was pretty cool. And hope you guys enjoyed the times in Mexico for that. That was great. And I will catch you guys in the next upload. And make sure you guys stay tuned for the big D-Max that's sitting right here that you guys cannot see. But we're going to be doing some mods to that soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. We're heading up to Street Speed's house here in a week to go do the engine on Grandpa and twin turbos. So we'll be staying up there for a little while and helping them out with that. With my buddy Steve with C5 that just put twin turbos in. And I'm going to have my dad record, but Mike said he's going to take my dad to Mexico in the 570. So that's going to be pretty fun. Catch you guys in the next upload. Have a good rest of your day, and see you all in the next upload.